Hey guys, it's Rookie BBQ again. If you clicked on this video, you know what you're getting in for. This is to go over everything all the reasons that I returned the SmokeFire. If you actually came here to see what I'm going to be cooking with, that's no problem. Thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please, appreciate that. Just click. I'm going to put up the time right here. You can fast forward this video too if you just want to see the new cooker that I'm going to be working with. It's right here. But if not, let's go. Let's get after it. Alright, so I made a list. If you guys have seen my past videos, I kind of just go off the cuff. I'm not really into scripts or anything like that. I kind of just go, but I wanted to cover every single reason that I got rid of it. Let's get into it, alright? First, I'm going to go over the pros first, then the cons. First, originally, it cooked amazing. When the grill worked, it cooked amazing. Great food. Best steak I've ever had. And I'm going to toot my own horn, but best steak I've ever had. I had no problems at 275 and up most of the time. I'll get into that onto the con side. It was a pretty good build. I'm a rookie, so it was my first one. I liked the way that it was built. Apart from the false advertisements that they kind of had, which I'll get into a little later as well. It was easy to clean. That was great. So my smoker that I got now, the new one, the other smokers, excuse me, did I just burp on there? Jesus. The other smokers that I've seen, you have to shop back the ash out, which isn't that big a deal, but this one had holes under it, as you know. So easy to clean. So great maintenance. So that was nice. Everything I cooked on it was good. I never had any like raw food, undercooked food, anything like that. Those are pretty much the pros. Like I covered all of them, you know what I mean? Like I said, it cooked amazing food when it worked. The build was great and everything like that. Now, let's get into the cons. That's why we're here, right? So, first problem I had was flame outs. And what I mean by that is the flame would literally go out. I don't know if it was the probe, the igniter that would just go out. Malfunction possibly. But I would be mid-cook and the flame would just go out. And obviously that's a problem if you're doing a long cook. And it's also a problem because it didn't give me any notifications on their app, which... Man, I hate to say this, I don't want to call anything trash because the people worked hard on it. So it just didn't work like it should have, like they advertised. It really, really didn't work as well as I would have liked it to. Non-startups. Wouldn't even start up. It would just, I'd turn it on and the dials wouldn't work. It wouldn't move to start temp. It wouldn't do anything. I'd have to shut it off, shut it on back again, and it wouldn't work again. So I would unplug it, have to wait a little bit, plug it back in, and it would work. I'm a rookie, so I thought this is just shit that you had to deal with on a daily basis. I thought this is how it went. Everybody went through this, so I was just dealing with it. I wasn't being completely honest with you guys, I guess, because I kept championing this grill, and I thought that it was really well built and everything. I just thought this was problems everybody had. Turns out, not everybody has these problems. The firmware issues, as you guys all know, my God, I got the E6 error codes. The firmware would freeze, like I said earlier, midway through the cook. I wouldn't get any notifications, so my meat wouldn't be ruined. Luckily, I'm so attentive to my meat that I'd come out and look for it, and I'd be able to catch it in time, shut it off, return it on, hopefully it'd get back to temp, do it a couple times, and finally it did. So that would work. Well, it was a pain in my ass, though, that the app would freeze. And then the firmware got updates, and they didn't help at all. They just didn't, guys. Anybody who's had problems knows that I thought maybe they could fix it because it was a firmware issue. No, they couldn't. Let me see, what else do I got here? Like I went over already, the app didn't work. It didn't notify me when my meat was done. It always said that there was an unexpected error when I was shutting down my grill instead of telling me that the grill was ready to be shut down. Like I said, it didn't tell me when it froze. When the grill freezes and the temp is dropping, it should tell you that, but it didn't. Obviously, you guys know about the hopper feeder. That was the big deal too for a lot of people. And again, I thought that's just what you had to do. That's not the case. You shouldn't have to do anything like that. That was just because of the poor build quality for the hopper. The new one I have, which I'll show here at the end, it's vertical, drops right down, cherry. There's no chances of it getting stuck at the end. Even the new hopper insert didn't work. I didn't make a video on that, but I can tell you guys now, it didn't work. All it did was make less room for pellets. It didn't make it easier for them to go down. And again, that wasn't a huge problem for me, but I'm just sharing everything that was a problem, okay? Poor design. The false advertisement. I originally bought this going off of, I'm not going to name his name on YouTube, but he's, him and a couple other guys got sent up to Chicago to test out the SmokeFire. They advertised that you didn't need a grease band because the grease funnels underneath and it goes into the grease band and you're perfect. It doesn't do that at all. It fills up with grease, it clogs it with ash, you can get grease fires. Again, in past videos, I said, oh, I don't care, you know what I mean? I'll just use grease pans, which wasn't a problem, for real, it wasn't a big deal for me. But they lied. They said they did hundreds of tests and it didn't work the way they said it did. And now on my new smoker, I have the insert underneath that allows an angle that allows the grease to go down into the bucket like every pellet smoker does, how it's been forever. So let me see here. Yeah, man, I think that covers it. As far as the pros, like I said, it cooked great food. I liked it when it worked, hated it when it didn't. I had this like love-hate relationship. It would freeze on me, I'd be screwed, oh my god, we're gonna ruin the meat. And then 2 hours later, we're eating and I'm like, oh, this is the best machine ever. I shouldn't have to go through that, not for this kind of money. So Lowe's was awesome, I did return it. I do hope if you have a SmokeFire that you're having great times with it and not having the issues I had. I hope Weber fixes this and comes out with something again, because I'm not done with Weber. I love Weber, you know what I mean? But those were my main reasons why I returned it. I hope I didn't bend your ear too much. I think we're done here. If you like this, if you had any other problems or any issues, comment, please. So I will write back because I want to know. I want this to be fixed. I want Weber to be aware of what's happening and we can all move forward together. But yeah, those are the reasons, my pros, my cons, why I returned it and everything. But now, moment of truth. If you guys skip to the video, this is where I'm going to show you the new grill. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, I don't know if you guys are as ready as I am for this. Here's the big reveal. Here we go. What did I get? What did I do? Let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, bam! Oh yeah, yeah. That's a Yoder. You know, no big deal. Yoder smoker, Yoder YS640. No big deal here. You know, just one of the most badass smokers on the market. Oh my god, I'm currently cooking something, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Look at the metal, the build on this thing is so solid. I'm so freaking stoked with this thing. Oh my god. And you know what's exciting too? Look at these. Those are giant, okay? The ones on the Weber were very tiny, made me very insecure all the time when I was moving it. These do not mess around. Oh, I cannot tell you guys how excited I am. Let's see what I got going on in here. Oh. Woo, you know, no big deal, just cowboy steak. You know, first cook, figure why not, you know what I mean? Oh my god. But yes, and I know you guys probably have a lot of questions. And I just want to let you guys know. Oh, well, let me fix that. What I'm going to be doing is, in 30 days, I will go over a complete review. 30 days after cooking on this consistently, I'll let you guys know how it is, what I think, problems, issues, pros, cons, everything, just like I did with this one. But I just wanted to show you this beast, I'll show it to you one more time, because like I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited. It's a monster, for sure. So yeah, this is the new grill I'll be cooking on for a while now, hopefully for a long while. But I just wanted to let you guys know and show you what I'm working with here, and we'll wrap this video up. Cool. Alright guys, so you saw the new grill. I'm super stoked. The gist of this is just, I'm done. It was great. It was good while it lasted. I thought I'd have it forever. I didn't. It didn't work out. Things sometimes don't work out. I'm excited for this new chapter. I'm super stoked to be able to cook on this. I can't wait to eat that cowboy steak you guys saw cooking on there. Next week is redemption time, baby. It's the brisket. So I'll see you on that one. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how I'm doing. And side note, I apologize about the doves and the outside noise. If I hit 500 subs on YouTube, I'm buying a mic to put in my shirt so you don't hear that outside noise. Okay? Thanks for sticking with me. I appreciate it. I love doing these things. I hope you guys stay safe. And I'll see you guys in a week. Redemption time, baby. Yoder.